Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of military vehicles. Get ready to be amazed by some of the most incredible machines ever built for the battlefield. From the unforgiving deserts to the dense jungles, militaries around the globe rely on these extraordinary vehicles to navigate challenging terrains, transport troops, and engage in combat. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 7 most amazing military vehicles in the world. We'll explore their unique features, capabilities, and the crucial roles they play in modern warfare. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and power of these mechanical marvels. In the heart of the modern battlefield, stealth and agility can mean the difference between mission success and failure. The Nicola Reckless UTV reigns supreme. This all-electric utility task vehicle is a marvel of modern engineering. Its electric motor allows it to operate with an almost inaudible hum. The Reckless is far from fragile. Built for extreme off-road conditions, it navigates mountainsides, forests, and deserts with agility, adaptable for various missions from reconnaissance to medical evacuation. The Nicola Reckless UTV is a testament to the evolving nature of warfare. The AACE Kodiak, a name that evokes images of raw power and unwavering resilience, much like the animal it's named after. This versatile and heavily armored vehicle is a true multi-role asset, as comfortable in the heat of combat as it is clearing a path for troops and supplies. The Kodiak is a testament to adaptability. Its modular design allows it to be quickly configured for a wide range of tasks, making it an invaluable tool on the modern battlefield. Need to transport troops safely through hostile territory? The Kodiak can be outfitted with armored plating and a mounted weapon system. Faced with a roadblock of fallen trees or rubble, the Kodiak can be transformed into an engineering vehicle, its powerful winches and front-mounted dozer blade clearing the way with mechanical efficiency. This armored workhorse is also equipped with advanced communication and surveillance systems, allowing it to act as a mobile command center or a forward observation post. Imagine a column of vehicles pushing through a war-torn city. The Kodiak, a steel sentinel at the front, uses its cameras and sensors to scan for threats, relaying real-time information back to command and providing vital situational awareness to the forces it protects. Whether it's leading the charge into battle, clearing a path for humanitarian aid, or providing a secure platform for command and control, the AACE Kodiak stands ready to tackle any challenge. Landmines and unexploded ordnance represent a hidden menace, a deadly legacy of conflicts past and present. Clearing these hazards is a dangerous but essential task, and at the forefront of this effort stands the Rheinmetall Keiler Next Generation, a mine-clearing vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology with unwavering resolve. The Keiler is not designed for stealth or speed, it is a lumbering behemoth, its every feature designed to withstand the devastating blast of a landmine. Its heavily armored hull protects its crew, while its advanced mine-clearing equipment works tirelessly to neutralize the threat. At the heart of the Keiler lies a range of specialized tools. Plows and tillers churn the earth, unearthing buried explosives, while flails and rollers detonate them safely from a distance. The Keiler is a guardian, meticulously clearing a path for troops and civilians alike. Imagine a landscape scarred by war, littered with the remnants of past battles. The Keiler moves slowly but steadily, its powerful engine straining as it clears a path through a minefield. Each detonation, a testament to the lives it's saving. Each meter cleared, a step towards a safer future. The Rheinmetall Keiler. Next Generation is a testament to human ingenuity, a machine designed to confront and overcome the deadly legacy of war. In the realm of modern warfare, information is king, and gathering intelligence is paramount. The Fennek FAO, a highly mobile reconnaissance vehicle, excels in this shadowy world, its stealth and advanced surveillance capabilities making it the eyes and ears of the battlefield. The Fennek FAO, named after the desert fox, embodies the cunning and agility of its namesake. Low profile and remarkably quiet, it's designed to blend into the background, observing and gathering information without revealing its presence. Imagine a moonless night, a desolate landscape shrouded in darkness. The Fennek FAO, cloaked in shadows, silently maneuvers through the terrain, its thermal imaging cameras and sensitive listening devices scanning the surroundings. Inside, the crew analyzes data, their every sense on high alert, searching for any sign of enemy activity. The information they gather could prove crucial, shaping strategies and determining the outcome of future operations. Its mast-mounted radar can detect targets from miles away, while its high-resolution cameras provide crystal-clear images, even in low-light conditions. the Fennek FAO is a testament to the increasing importance of technology in modern warfare. The Humvee, a ubiquitous symbol of American military might, has become a familiar sight on battlefields around the world. But even legends can be improved upon, and the 6x6 Hellcat Humvee stands as a testament to this principle, an upgraded and even more formidable iteration of its iconic predecessor. The Hellcat takes the rugged reliability of the original Humvee. Its larger 6x6 platform provides enhanced stability and payload capacity, while its uprated suspension and powerful engine allow it to navigate challenging terrain with ease. Imagine a convoy of Hellcats rumbling across a desert landscape, their imposing silhouettes silhouetted against the setting sun. These are not just transport vehicles, but mobile fortresses. The Hellcat's versatility makes it a valuable asset in a variety of scenarios. The 6x6 Hellcat Humvee stands as a testament to the constant evolution of military technology, proving that even the most iconic platforms can be upgraded to meet the demands of the modern battlefield. In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, adaptability is paramount, and few vehicles embody this principle better than the AACE, the Armored Amphibious Combat Earthmover. This unique machine seamlessly blends the capabilities of an armored combat vehicle with those of an amphibious earthmover, allowing it to dominate both land and water with equal ease. Imagine a coastline, the meeting point of land and sea, a critical juncture in any amphibious assault. The AACE, its massive form emerging from the surf, effortlessly transitions from water to land, its powerful engine roaring as it begins its task. The AACE is a true multitasker. Its heavily armored hull provides protection for its crew, while its front-mounted dozer blade can clear obstacles, create defensive berms, or prepare fighting positions, all while under enemy fire. Its massive tracks propel it through water with surprising agility, allowing it to navigate rivers, lakes, and even open ocean with relative ease. This makes it an invaluable asset in amphibious landings, coastal defense, and disaster relief operations. Picture a flooded village, cut off from aid by rising waters. The AACE arrives, its imposing bulk parting the floodwaters as it ferries supplies, rescues stranded civilians, and clears debris, a beacon of hope in a time of crisis. The battlefield is a realm of steel and fury, where survival hinges on firepower and resilience. And in this unforgiving arena, the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 reigns supreme. This advanced version of the renowned Leopard 2 tank represents the pinnacle of armored warfare, a technological marvel that embodies the very essence of modern military might. The Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 is a sight to behold, a symphony of steel and cutting-edge technology. Its sleek, low-profile turret houses a fearsome 120mm smoothbore cannon, capable of launching devastatingly accurate rounds at targets miles away. Advanced sensors provide the crew with a 360-degree view of the battlefield, while its fire control system calculates ballistic solutions with lightning speed, ensuring pinpoint accuracy with every shot. Imagine a column of Leopard 2 tanks advancing across a desolate landscape, their cannons thundering a symphony of destruction. They are an unstoppable force, their armor deflecting enemy fire as their guns rain down a storm of steel and high explosives. The Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 is more than just a tank. It's a symbol of technological superiority, a testament to the relentless pursuit of military dominance. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of military vehicles. From the silent hunter that is the Nicola Reckless to the apex predator that is the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0, these vehicles represent the cutting edge of military technology embodying the ever-evolving nature of warfare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations into the world's most fascinating machines. Until next time, stay curious.